By default, we are all digital citizens. It doesn't matter how much you tweet or how many likes you get on social media, even if those answers are none. But we live in a world where entertainment, business, medicine, legislation, and of course education are shaped by digital technologies. Digital technologies heavily influence what we see and hear every day at home, work, and in schools. Because of this, one of the most important ways coaches can help others become good digital citizens is to first be a good digital citizen. So says Professor Helen Crompton from Old Dominion University, who notes that coaches must always model proper digital behavior, such as always setting sources for information and images in presentation materials. Coaches can share information about strategies and resources to promote digital citizenship, but ultimately they must walk the walk in order for their colleagues to view the importance of modeling and promoting digital citizenship with their students. What does it take to be a good digital citizen? How do you connect with those who may have concerns or fears about using technology in teaching or learning? Or those on the opposite end of the spectrum, whose enthusiasm for all things technology may cross the boundaries of acceptable or responsible use? Check out this video from SBITS in Fairfax County for ideas on how they embody digital citizenship in their daily work. Each coach was asked to reflect on the following 3 questions. 1. How do you help teachers and others create a classroom or school culture that promotes positive interactions between people of different backgrounds and experiences? How do you address that both in physical classrooms and through online interactions? 2. How do you help students and adults understand the importance of creating and maintaining a safe and secure environment, both in class and online? How do you encourage them to keep both students and student data safe and secure when using technology? How do you help students and adults become better consumers of information to use technology wisely to verify information? As you review the video, think about how you might respond to these same questions based upon your experiences in SBITS, or even working with other colleagues in your school. Do these responses bring up any questions?